Hi, I'm Roland Graf. Like I mentioned in the intro, I design experimental user interfaces that explore the limits of the body and interactivity in the physical world. And I now want to show you two AR projects that I developed here with colleagues and computer engineers at the University of Michigan. The first piece is an interactive art installation called Solar Ping Pong. And the idea of Solar Ping Pong is to take a street and transform it in bright daylight into an interactive immersive environment. And in this environment, pedestrians can interact with an animated pink sunlight reflection on the street. So they can both use their bodies and shadows to play the game. There's this beautiful quote by Max Frisch, a Swiss architect and playwright, that says, "Technology is a way to organize the universe so that man doesn't have to experience it." And with Solar Ping Pong, we try to do exactly the opposite. We try to build technology to reconnect humans to the outdoor environment and the universe. Solar Ping Pong is based on mainly two premises. First, we think there is a need to provide an interactive media experience that can naturally coexist and augment the physical environment in which it is used. And when we say augment, we mean unencumbered by screens and controllers, so not a screen in front of the physical world. And second, we think there's a need for sunlight to be the light source of this interactive media experience, because we think it is necessary to overcome the binary opposition between natural light on one side and artificial light on the other. In other words, we need to overcome the opposition between interactive media and daylight as a medium. And this is really the core of what we are aiming to do with Solar Ping Pong. And now I want to show you another project. And this project, what is called iGym, we take the full body interaction that you saw in Solar Ping Pong further into the space of sport and exercise. Here we are exploring the potential of projection-based AR for a sport and exercise system for people with mixed abilities. Imagine in this computer-generated playfield, players can also interact with an animated disc on the floor, but instead of using their shadows, the system visualizes a representation of people's very personal space on the floor, so the immediate space surrounding their body. And they can use this visualization to manipulate a target on the floor in real time. This is an ongoing research project. Players on wheels will get wireless push buttons with which they can expand the circle and kick the disc on the floor. iGym's mission is to make exercise more inclusive and fun. Our big vision with this project is to develop an inclusive projection-based augmented reality sport system that can be implemented in school, community-based sport and recreation facilities. This is obviously a new design space, and what we are interested to ask is what else can we augment with augmented reality. So we are really interested to hear your creative ideas of how you think the future of gaming in this space, in this design space, will look like, and how you might see yourself interacting with technology in the future. So we encourage you to participate in the discussion forums of this Teach Out, and are looking forward to hearing what ideas you have to share.